Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're here at Glitter Prime. I'm trying like different primers. They're all by P.Louise base, but you know, they're a little bit different like shades. So yeah, so today I'm gonna do a purple look because I have a purple base. If you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back. Glitter Prime. I'm using this base from P.Louise slash Michelle, like Michelle Acid Rain, and this one is not in Ibiza. So I put that here, stamp it, and we're just gonna go jump right into the look. So I'm actually gonna mix a few shades. So I'm gonna go into this shade right here, or this palette from Makeup by Yolondo. It is the Mixxy Mauves, and I'm gonna use this dark purple right here, and I'm gonna put it in my order V. And for that, I'm using a T41 from Makeup Shack. Guys, while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family. This just helps like your shades just stay nicely. So I'm gonna use a few different palettes. So I'm warming nice and early. Let's take ouch this T4 from Makeup Shack, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This don't really have names, but it's this like pinky purple, and I'm just gonna blend my edges. Blend in the edges, make sure you know it's not crazy sharp. I do want it to be a little bit sharp, but not insane. Like this is not blending, like right here. I'm not going to this purple because I think I want something a little bit, you know, kind of more purple-ish. But before I do that, I'm gonna use something else, and then we're gonna, you know, we're gonna zhuzh it up. Because I'm gonna put a shimmer in my inner corner, and then I'm gonna just mix everything together. Just, I know, right now I'm saying that, and it's maybe not really making any sense, but you know, give me a second and it's all gonna make sense. You know, I'm gonna use a T41, some Nyx Glitter Glue, put that right here, and now I just want one shade from this palette. Like I feel like I wanted something a little bit lighter, but there wasn't anything in any of these palettes. So I'm gonna use this shade right here called B1. It's basically like a white glitter kind of. See? That's all I wanted here, something way light. Like these palettes have, but they're just so dark. I wanted something lighter. Okay. No, I want another blush. This will work. This is what? This is a C510 from Crown, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is the Juvia's Place. This is the Nubian Royal palette, and then there's no mirror, so. And this is only to blend this. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done. Again, I really like, I don't know, I think like purples and blues are, you know, my favorite colors to do looks of. They're always so nice and bold. Okay, let's go to the face. I actually did something a little bit different on my last video, and I think I'm gonna do the same thing today. So instead of doing foundation, I'm just gonna do concealer, and yeah, just concealer, So I'm using my Jeffree Star Cosmetic concealer. Okay, and now I'm gonna take another concealer. Actually, before I do that, I'm gonna go into my cardboard. Now I'm gonna go into my other concealer, and this is from Too Faced. It's the multi-use sculpting concealer. And I'm just gonna put it like right here. My face looks so white. I feel like I need to maybe get a darker shade concealer to do this, but it's fine. Now we're gonna go ahead and blend. First, I'm gonna blend my contour, and I'm gonna use an E34 from Morphe to do that. This is literally the 8th day that I'm recording straight. My face hates me, but I'm going on vacation, so I need to pre-record. I'm just stippling this. Now I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna blend. Why I put this concealer? I need another blush, cause that's not gonna work for under my eye. Oh wow, maybe that concealer was not, you know, the best combination for, since I'm not actually using a foundation, but you know, it is what it is. We'll make it work. And then I'm gonna use my Ruce fluff brush to blend the rest of my concealer. Love it. I don't know, this might be like a thing. I think I just need to get like a little bit of like a darker concealer, and then we're Gucci. Me set.
Guess who?
I'm using my black opal powder. I do start wetting my brushes. My sponges, sorry. I always forget. I have like 100 Charlotte Tilbury thingy, and they're all pretty much empty. But this, see, already hit pen in this one too. Okay, that was a long production.
Much easier. Not yet. I know you're eager, but you
No, I'm just gonna put a little bit of purple right here. Ooh, you can barely see it. Okay, let's go in and not with this brush, but with this one right here. Let's go in with that purple shade, that really dark one. Love it. We're almost done. We're almost done. So this is like the, you know, the hardest, well, not hardest, but kind of more time consuming part. So as soon as we're done with this, then the bronzer and the rest of the face is real quick. So I'm gonna take this brush, clean it up. Go in here and take that light shade. I'm just gonna take that light shade and bring it down. Actually, I don't need to do that. I can take my Ace Beauty. What is this called? Glimmer Shadow of French Vanilla. And we're just gonna put that in the inner corner. Perfect. Okay, now let's, you know, hit the bronze. I'm trying to find this bronzer, you know. The Tropical Bouquet from Makeup by Yolondo. Let's go ahead and bronze. Just gonna use this shade here. Oh, my forehead still looks pretty light, but I'm gonna go into this brush right here, and then we're gonna take a little bit, just a little bit of this shade, because this shade is like, so just a little something, not too much. And now this sponge. Let's go and put some blush on. I'm gonna use my number 2 from Juvia's Place, and we're gonna use the top one. I'm gonna use Flare for the Dramatics by MAC. Okay, I'm gonna use Powerline from Buxom, and it's Real Red. I know, purple eye and red lip, maybe not the best combination, but I'll do whatever I want to do. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. I had fun. Oh my god, I really like these bases. So, you know, if you can get your hands on them, you should try these bases. It really helps your other, you know, whatever shade. So for the purple, makes it pop, the blue pop. So yeah, so don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I will see you on my next video. Bye guys.